So my 2002 Dodge Dakota decided that the radiator was going to start leaking on me. And I went on rockauto.com. Right there. It's backwards. Anyway, rockauto.com. And I picked up the CSF radiator. Rock Auto says this is one of their best sellers. Man, I'm not looking to put a lot of money into this pickup truck. It's got over 200,000 miles on it, and it's over 20 years old. So she's looking a little rough, but I think it's worth at least changing out the radiator. So this is going to be an unboxing of this CSF radiator for the Dodge Dakota Quad Cab 2002. All right, we can see here that it is the model 3516. So let's get to cutting this open. All right, let's figure out how to get this thing open. See what comes in a box. Well, all right, we got a magnetic rockauto.com business card. We got a limited warranty information paperwork there. But here is the radiator. More paperwork there. Oh, that's my order number. All right, let's take a closer look at this thing. This thing was a pretty decent price I found at rockauto.com, about $96, and after taxes and shipping and everything to me, it came to about $118 American. So I thought that was pretty reasonable. Certainly a truck is not worth putting a whole lot more into that at this point. Alright, so this is the radiator front, which means this is what you're going to look at when you're looking at the grill of the truck. These holes, I believe, are where you're going to attach the condenser that's on there. So this attaches to the frame. Okay, let's flip it over and take a look at the engine side of the radiator. Alright, looking at the engine side of the radiator. This is where I believe the transmission coolant connections would be. This would be where the lower, I know it's a little high, but that would be where the lower radiator hose goes. And this is where you connect the upper radiator hose. Pretty basic. The radiator that's in my truck right now leaks on the right around here on the OEM radiator, so I just decided to replace the whole thing. Getting tired of adding antifreeze and overheating and whatnot. So anyway, there it is. There is the unboxing of the CSF 3516. Yeah, 3516. So fun days coming up to put this in. Thanks for watching.